Careful, you touch the water. Put the rod down. Real. Oh, nice. Good boy. Stop. Okay. Towards the edge, to the edge. Pull to the edge, yeah. Okay, okay. Once he touch, okay, open. Okay, good. Well, good, you're doing well. Whoa, look at that. Oh, look at the explosion. Ooh, yes, he run. Yeah, he run.
Got him, man.
See? You know the Topwater is the best, huh? Oh, yes. Okay, good. Okay, you move backward. Okay. Okay, stop. Open the bell. Yes. Okay, good. Oh, see? Oh, he missed, then he jumper. Okay. Away from here. Away from the pipe. Real. Oh! What did I say? No, come to this way. Away from the pipe here. Stay. Yeah. Yes, okay. Okay, good. Okay. Open. Yeah. Okay, bye. Look here.
Really good.
Okay, leave out the rock. Okay, crank. Oh, on the drop. Jump, okay. Throw it soon. Hold it. Okay. Hold it, leave it. Hold it. Just hold it. Leave it. Hold it, don't move. Don't move. You will jump again. See? Can I see a little? Okay, move. Okay.
He's smiling it too.
I tell you. Careful. Okay, move backward. Okay, good. Okay, release. Be careful, there's a rock behind you. Wow! Jumper, okay, good. Alright. Okay. Yes. Good.
Hey. That right there was
Hold it. Ah. Push up. No, okay. It's not going anywhere. It's gonna hit. Okay. Just drop it.
Oh.
Wow. coming to you. There you go. Okay, hold it. Oh, it swallow in the mouth. The whole thing. Cigar, you know, just smoke the cigar. Oh. Hold it. Oh. Okay, move out. Okay. Hold it. Okay, hold it. Okay.
Like I ain't gonna show you no more time.
Oh. Come on. Aneh.
Look that mouth.
Wait. Yeah. Look here. Ronnie, look here. Yeah. Look where we are.
Don't get better lunch than this.